29th of July 2024 यांची 0 hour गेले परत घेता. The idea of taking 0 hour is to bring it to our attention की बाणाल्या किती जाते हिंग एसी राहून सगळ्या कळपा आणि ते जावपा स्पीकर the pending road at Wadi leading towards Taj Exotica Benaulim and the road from Club Mahindra to Kombia Peda Varka. I want to bring to the attention of this house to the plight of the locals, employees as well as tourists who travel via the pending roads at Wadi next to the SAG ground leading towards Taj Exotica Benaulim and the road from Club Mahindra to Kombia Peda Varka, which is not being done for several years, and tourists as well as locals and employees who are passing or who are going to the hotels and working over there use this road on daily basis. It's such a bad impression on all of us as well as accident hazard area for riding on these kacha roads. Let's resolve these matters because our agent note move kello gelte party. Pun azun जायना माशे उलोबा
instruction दिता.
Yes.